Time and time again, we always want to worry about how we look on the outside, the physical, the body. But did you realize that it starts within? You have to be mindful of the things that you eat, you consume, you drink. Because if you're taking care of yourself within, honey, it's going to show on the out. And I got some products that's going to help you do just that. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, girl. So I got my hand on some goodies. Company by the name of Reserve reached out to me and said that they would love to send me a few products. Now, the Reserve is a US-based superfood brand that offers yummy superfoods that you can incorporate into your everyday routine to become a healthier version of you. Their superfoods are real simple, super nutritious, a nutrient powerhouse full of fibers, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Get this, boo. Their products have been used in traditional medicine to cure and prevent diseases and overall improve the balance of the body. This company believes that the secret to a healthy lifestyle starts with healthy, simple nutrition, less processed food, and more superfoods. Many of us said when we was coming into 2021 that we was gonna do better, we was gonna eat right, we was gonna start exercising. But so, have you lived up to them goals? Whether if you have or you haven't, these products will indeed assist with your overall lifestyle. What I really liked about this company as well, your products are guaranteed fresh. They keep a low stock of inventory and receive new small fresh batches regularly directly from their sources. This is to guarantee that their products will keep their freshness, their quality, and their nutrients. Get this, their products are third-party tested for heavy metals, pesticides, leads. Their products are tested to be sure that does not exist. After browsing the website, I realized that they offer really great products to focus on exactly what you are wanting to improve, whether it's maybe incorporating more greens. Today's society, everybody is worrying about looks and their outer appearance, so they even offer things for your hair, skin, and nails, which is what your girl got her hands on today. So what we're going to talk about are my absolute favorite, which are the skin, hair, nail gummies. It's the fact that these are sugar-free, gelatin-free, vegan, allergen-free for me. This flavor is coconut and strawberry. And when I tell you, when I initially opened up the packaging, smells like you're on an island with a pina colada or something of that sort. Here are the size of the gummy. Best part is that they're gummy sis. I don't know how many times I done stopped a diet routine or pills consumption because of them horse pills, honey. I hate anything that has the possibility of choking me out or getting stuck in my throat. These gummies are packed with all types of nutrients. I normally take 2 of these a day, and if you're wondering, boo, I've actually had these products for about a month now. So I was able to try these babies out really good before I come and present anything to you, because you know I gotta keep it real for the people there. Really pleasant knowing that something so good and tasty is ultimately really healthy for the body. Taking this product, I can really tell a difference, especially with my nails. Mine tend to like break off very easily. I've noticed them being still hard and sturdy and strong. As far as skin goes, I mean, I still get the monthly breakouts. Y'all know how that goes. Haven't experienced any breakouts in between that time. I'm blaming it on the gummy. Now, this next product here is called Beauty Balm. And again, these products cater to all things beauty and your outer appearances. This one here also says for your skin, hair, and nails. It has maca, or is it maca? One on blueberry powder and collagen. Sis, I don't know if you knew, but blueberries are packed with antioxidants that shields the skin against harmful free radicals. Really, really high in fiber, which can also help us get fine and lose this Rona weight. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body, so this actually helps maintain the strength and flexibility of the skin. Ligaments, joints, muscles, tendons, blood vessels, gums, eyes, nails, hair. The list goes on, sis. You know black don't crack anyway, but it's really, really good to have something that assists with the whole process. Maca tends to balance the hormonal levels, preventing any hair loss and supporting the skin health. It also elevates your energy, your mood, and your memory source.
And I think we all can use a little bit of maca.
It's basically a powder. It comes with a lid like this. Just take like a scoop, add it to your smoothie, add it to your yogurt. You can even add it to your water. I've tried all 3 different ways, and my personal preference is adding it to a smoothie. I just like not being able to taste the product, if that makes any sense. This is bomb. Just like as the name say, they did not lie. Next product I'm going to discuss here is the plant-based, which, if you didn't realize, your girl is honestly eventually trying to convert to that. Yes, sis. I've already substituted a lot of my products. I didn't even realize that there was so much that you can find that is now plant-based, child. This here is calorie, carb, and sugar-free. It has rose, cherry, biotin, hyaluronic acid, tremella mushroom, rice peptides, coconut, monk fruit. The list goes on. And it has this top at the top here, and it's also in that powdery form. This is also vegan and keto friendly. I know a lot of people who does the little keto diet and work out for me, sis. The taste was pretty decent, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. It didn't have me gagging. A lot of times, foods that are good for you are not always as tasty. These were not so bad. If you see any additional products that you would like to get your hands on, boo, because you got a lot of them to choose from, you go ahead and use this code right here. Save yourself a coin, sis. You are welcome. But before I go ahead and let you go, I do want to also show you this product. We all know you can't have too much hand sanitizer, boo. Rona won't get me. I am on this journey about essential oils and herbs and learning all this and what it do. You know, just taking the natural route, boo. I'm trying. It's levels to it, but I'm trying. And I was really excited to find out that this here is made with alcohol, witch hazel, and 5 essential oils. Not only is it killing germs on contact, also healing, nourishing, and protecting the skin because it has so many powerful antibacterial, antiseptic, antioxidant properties, sis.
My hand sanitizer is better than yours.
It's the smell of rosemary and eucalyptus and lemon and cinnamon, all of those mixed together. You just smell nature, natural. Definitely smell the essential oils when spraying this. We done officially came to the end of this haul. I want to thank the company so very much for sending out these items to me. And if you're interested in anything, be sure to use my code. Make sure you check out their website. I'm gonna have all of their contact, social media information down in the description box down below. Which one of these products do you see yourself trying? Are you currently on the weight loss journey, sis? Are you currently converting over to maybe plant-based, vegan, or, you know, just changing up your lifestyle? Come talk to me in them comments, boo. I talk back. I want to thank you so very much for taking the time out to watch my video. If you made it to the end of this haul, be sure to drop this emoji in the comments. That's how I know it's real. Until next time, later.